How y'all doing, family? How y'all doing? I say, peace and love. Yes, sir. So yeah, I took a little journey to the park, well, to the trails. You know, it feels so good out here, family. The sun, man, it feels so good, bro. Like, yo, whew. Y'all hear the birds? Just sit there, listen. Just listen to the birds real quick, family. Beautiful, man. But yeah, I just want to take some time to get on here today with y'all and just to be present in a moment with y'all, man. That's all. Just want to connect with you. Just want to connect with you. And there's so much abundance in this world that the thing is, man, being grateful, just even being grateful for the Most High and nature, Mama Earth, is bliss. It's bliss. I hope y'all really having a great day. Can y'all write down in the comments if y'all having a great day? I hope y'all having a great day. And if y'all not, then we're gonna raise the vibe up together. You know what I mean? I'm gonna give you some love energy. All love. You know what I'm saying? All love. You dig? But yeah, I want to tell y'all a little bit about me, family, man. I just want to connect with y'all, man. Like I said, we out here connecting, we out here vibing. And I just normally do shorts, which is changing right now in the current time with this video being made. Because y'all deserve it, man. Y'all deserve it. And I'm passionate about giving y'all this information and helping everybody just transmute the energies within thyself to whatever energy that they want. Because we want to keep it at a high vibe. And we always expanding our mind and expanding our consciousness. You know, we working on ourselves physically, mentally, and spiritually every single moment. You feel me? And we just loving life. And relaxing too at the same time. Because we ain't gonna slave at nothing. We gonna be in Wu Wei, we gonna make it go. And really just let all that control go. I'm just feeling good, man. Whew. I ain't even light this up yet, like, bro. I really haven't been smoking too much, but I decided why not come out here and just be with Mother Nature, man. Just smoke on some Mother Nature real quick, too. Man, it's just beautiful, bro. Beautiful. And y'all are too. All y'all. But yeah. So, hey, I want y'all also comment. Cause you know, this also all ego though too, you feel me? We just, you know what I'm saying? Cause things we really just spirit. We really just spirit. Really just want the great spirit, you feel me? So, but you know what I'm saying? I'm a Scorpio, if you wanna, you know, say that. Scorpio, you know, life path 6, if you wanna say that, you know what I mean? Birth number 2, if you wanna say that, you feel me? Really 20, you know what I'm saying? I was born on the 20th. Anybody else born on the 20th? Comment below. You know, anybody else life past 6 or Scorpio or whatever. Let's connect, family. Just comment below. Or whatever your zodiac sign is, or whatever your life path is, man. We all one, you know? All is one. One is all. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Namaste, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, family, things going real good, man. Things are going really good, you know? Just paying more attention to my intuition and really using logic and just following with that. You know, submitting completely to Mama Universe. You feel me? To God. You know what I'm saying? Just being in flow with life. You know, we can stress too much and that can really make us just, But stress can also be good because putting that pressure on that diamond is really gonna make it shine, you know, as well. So, hey, just make sure that you're being in a woo way with it. And it's always divine timing, all right? But just because it's divine timing, don't mean that you don't have to go work or go put some kind of effort and energy in. You know what I'm saying? Putting the thought in. You think it, you feel me? And you go achieve it. Because you're putting that energy in. And the universe is you, so you know that you putting that energy in, so you're going to be compensated for it. And it's divine timing. So that's what I'm saying. Work on your passions. You feel me? Be passionate about it. Because it's divine timing. So all of the money, you're gonna harvest a lot, fam. Just by working on your passions, just by being passionate. You feel me? Just like being in this video right now. Just sitting here, just being passionate about Mother Nature, about loving y'all, you know. Bro, the intention, this world, fam, this whole universe or matrix or whatever you want to call it, fam, is based off of intention and perception, bro, and perspective, bro. You feel me? That's what it's all based off of. It's not no good or bad or whatever, you know what I'm saying? It's what your attention is. You feel me? Having good intentions, then, bro, don't worry about the outcome too much, bro. Because you know that you're pure and having good intentions, the Most High, bro, is gonna respond to that and be like, yeah, I'm feeling that good energy. I'm feeling that good energy. And it's circulating through the air, especially in the springtime. It's circulating through the air, family. You gotta open up. Talk, you know what I'm saying? Talk to the air. Listen to the air. Watch the birds. You feel me? It's all about just getting in tune with self, fam. And getting in tune with them, with the air element. So that the ancestors, so that God, you know what I'm saying, Most High, you know what I'm saying, whoever you want to say talking to you at that time, you know, the air spirits, whoever, they come and they give you messages because they are you. You are your spirit team. You just in the physical right now, that's all. They in a whole nother realm or whatever, operating, working, same way you working. You know what I mean? Everything is interconnected, family. And that's why I say, like, the ego also plays a part with the zodiacs and what your life path is and what orders, because it's still things that people placed on you once you came in this world. Off of the time that you was born, off of the you know what I mean, just off of the time. off of the time that you was born and everything. You know? Because the thing is, you're not even that. You just spirit. Just soul. Etheric being. And yeah, you might have been born at this time or at that time. Or you might have been born on this day. But bro, that don't have to determine your whole entire life type thing. And that's where, okay, you love the ego, you feel me? You know it's there, you know what I'm saying? Because you can't. What's up? Peace, birdie. You so beautiful, man. Yo, that bird was beautiful. But yo, just because you was born at this place in this time, bro, don't let that define you. Just like the things that happen in your life, don't let that define you. Because first of all, you didn't, people talk about contracts and everything with higher self and stuff like that. Fam, you consciously didn't know you was gonna be born at this time, that place. Maybe subconsciously, maybe, you feel me? But consciously, fam, bro, you get more aligned even with your path and all of that once you really stop even caring about it. To be real and just focusing on what you really need to focus on, bro. Because somebody, they can be researching their life path and that can make them go a whole nother way when they didn't even have to, when it was really on the right path. Because it be external information that be trying to have us get off center, you feel me? Sometimes when we was really balanced, and now we just found some new information, but that new information may not be helping us. It may be distracting us. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm a life past 6. Yeah, I do love family. You feel me? I'm just being, but the thing is, I love tribe. You feel me? I love healing tribe. You know what I'm saying? Helping tribe heal themselves. You feel me? Positive energy, raising the vibe. You know what I'm saying? Everything. But at the same time, bro, I was people pleasing too much, fam. And as being, and then you can say being a number 2. You feel me? My intuition be going crazy. You know what I'm saying? I be hearing everything. You feel me? I be hearing everything, family. But like I said, bro, you can't let even a lot of that stuff distract you, brody. That's why Yeshua said, take no thought, but not have no thought. Take no thought, but not have no thought, because some of them thoughts can affect you. I know I was rambling a little bit, y'all, but shit, man, I'm just happy to be on here with y'all real quick, bro. Like, for real. Them birds sound beautiful, man. Ashe. Namaste. Today is a great day. Ooh. Feel me? But yeah, family, come on, let's go out and get in nature. Like I said, it's springtime. We gotta be in nature, man. You gotta go outside, feel the air, feel the prana and the energy, man. Feel the prana, feel the energy. Family, protect your energy. Really protect your energy, family. You know, protect your energy. I say, protect that energy, bro. You feel me? And always love self. I'm always say this, bro. Always love self. Always love your soul, your spirit, man. Cause ain't nobody gonna love it like how you love it, man. You feel me? Don't be attached to too many things either, family. Don't be attached to too many things, family. That attachment can cause suffering. It can disrupt your whole auric field if you let it. And a good way to detach from, situations and individuals and things, it's just letting the ego go in the backseat. And you, the we, the I, take the driver's seat. And you just have the awareness of the ego, but you're not the ego. Take no thought. Because a lot of times, every thought isn't yours anyway. There's a thing called telepathy, and it's very real. God made it that way so that we wouldn't even have a big barrier between language, bro. Because there's one universal language, bro, and that's through spirit. That's through the energy of the spirit, bro. That's why I don't have to be Spanish to know every single thing that's being said. You feel me? When Spanish people are talking. The reason being is because energy plays a whole part in conversation. Body language, movement, energy. So you can read a person before they even start to speak. And that's through the telephones of God, that radio station of God, bro. So I said, protect your energy, family. Meditate. Because if our internal is whole and aligned and at peace, then the external it's not gonna affect us. Because you're not really reacting to the world. You're acting within your own world, within your own karma, within your own action. Because karma is just action. It's not good nor bad. It's just action, what you're acting on. What your intentions is when you're acting on something. All right, fam, I'm about to get off of here, man. About to enjoy nature. You feel me? I love y'all. I say, have a good day, okay? Namaste. Love. Love. Like I said, protect your energy. Protect your energy, fam. And love yourself. Love yourself, God, and know that you are beautiful. And that you can create anything as long as you put your mind to it. Why do they say as long as you put your mind to it? Because once you put your mind to it, it activates something. It creates a ripple effect in a quantum realm, fam. Woo! I say. Woo! Woo! And put your boundaries up, fam. Because that's also what I had to do. I started to put boundaries up, and then people let me know why I needed to put the boundaries up in the first place. Protect your energy, people. Especially once y'all get, bro, I'm telling you, once you really be aligned and you really moving on the right path that God intended for you to be on, fam, there's gonna be a lot of people trying to push boundaries. And you gotta stand tall and stand firm and grounded like this tree. Within self, within your knowing and your belief. Don't let people distract you out here, fam. You feel me? Don't judge people, but cut them off with love. If you're not rocking with them, cut them off with love. You feel me? Because everybody have their vices, everybody have their problems, everybody got their traumas. But you don't have to be around their traumas. You don't have to be around them. You can cut them off and change your whole reality just like that. Bro, I cut some people off, bro. They're not even in my universe, bro. Like not even like being serious. Like I just cut them off with love, bro. And I wish them well, peace and love. You feel me? Love, light, and healing. Right? But now they not even in. They can't even get in my auric field. Why? Because God doesn't want them there. The energy and the people that is for you is gonna be for you, and the ones that's not are not. It's that simple. And don't try to hold on to it too much. That's that attachment. Just let it go, like the wind. Just let it go like the wind, family. But yeah, I just want to tell y'all a few things. I don't even know what I'm finna title this, really, for real. Shoot. I don't know what I'm finna title this. Trees and trails. Trees and trails. And God never fails. You feel me? You a God, man. You a goddess. Divine spirit. You feel me? In that body of yours right there, man. I just keep, bro, like, I really want to get off, but then it's like words just keep coming out, man. God just keep wanting to say this right here to y'all. Go outside, man. Take your shoes off. You feel me? Yeah, we grounding today. We doing all of that. Grounding in spirit, man. Grounded in Mother Nature, bro. But being free in spirit as well. Because we always free. Praise God, you know it. I say. You feel me? Praise the ancestors and love them today. You know what I mean? Hold on. Yeah. All right, family. Peace. I see y'all tomorrow.